If Telegram is not loading your messages, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your chat syncing again. This problem can happen for a few different reasons, like a frozen app session, a bad internet connection, VPN or proxy interference, corrupted cache files, or simply an outdated version of Telegram. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes without losing your data. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is perform a complete restart of Telegram. On Windows, don't just minimize the window or close it like normal. You want to fully quit the app so it can restart fresh. Look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock. If you see the Telegram icon there, right-click it and choose Quit. This fully shuts down Telegram in the background, which can fix messages that are stuck loading or not syncing properly. Once Telegram is completely closed, wait a few seconds, then reopen it and check whether your messages start loading again. If they still aren't appearing, the next thing to check is your internet connection and any VPN or proxy you may be using. Telegram can sometimes have trouble on restricted or unstable networks, so start by testing your connection. Try turning your Wi-Fi off and back on again, or restart your router if needed. If you're on a mobile hotspot or public network, switch to a different connection to see whether the problem clears up. Also, if you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. In some cases, VPNs can interfere with Telegram servers or trigger regional restrictions, which can stop messages from loading correctly. After disabling the VPN or proxy, refresh Telegram and see if your chats begin syncing. If that still doesn't solve it, the next fix is to clear Telegram's cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can cause loading issues, missing messages, or slow syncing. To do this, open Telegram and go to Settings. From there, click Advanced, then open Manage Local Storage. Inside that menu, look for the option to clear all cached data. This will remove temporary files stored by the app, but it will not delete your chats from the cloud. Telegram stores your messages online, so clearing the cache is usually safe and often helps fix display issues. After clearing the cache, restart Telegram again and check whether your messages load normally. If the issue is still happening, the last step is to update the app. Running an outdated version of Telegram can cause bugs, syncing problems, and compatibility issues with the latest server changes. Open the official Telegram desktop download page and get the newest version available. Then install it over your current version. This usually keeps your settings intact while replacing the older files with updated ones. Once the installation is complete, launch Telegram again and see if the message loading issue is fixed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and your chats will start appearing normally again. So just to recap, first fully quit Telegram, then check your connection and disable any VPN or proxy. Next, clear the cache from Telegram settings, and finally update to the latest version of the app. If you followed along and this helped you fix Telegram not loading messages, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.